Switching IT providers should make your life easier. So why does it feel like 90 days later you somehow made things worse? Like, congratulations, you upgraded your problems. Now instead of your old IT company frustrating you, you've now got a new one frustrating you. Sound familiar? You're not crazy. And more importantly, this isn't random. Because here's what actually happens. Most business owners decide to switch IT after hitting a breaking point. Slow response times, same issues over and over, security concerns that never really get handled, so you think, new company, fresh start, this'll fix it. And then, tickets start piling up. Your team is complaining more, things feel disorganized, and you're sitting there wondering if you just made a very expensive mistake. And here's the uncomfortable truth. The problem usually isn't the new IT company. It's that there was never a real plan for the transition. Most businesses switching IT like switching phone carriers. Port the number, flip the switch, done. But that is not what is happening. You're not just switching vendors. You're handing over data, your security, backups, user access, basically the digital version of your entire business. And when there's no clear plan, things get messy fast. The first problem, documentation, or more accurately, the lack of it. Your old provider didn't document everything, or they did, and it's a mess. So your new provider is basically walking into your business like, cool, where is everything? And the answer is, we're not totally sure. Second, security gaps. During transitions, stuff slips through. Updates get missed, old accounts stay active, systems stay connected that shouldn't be. It's like moving houses and realizing 3 weeks later, you never locked the front door at the old house. Not ideal. Third, and this is a big one, no one owns the process. Your old IT company is mentally on a beach somewhere. Your new IT company is getting up to speed. And you're stuck in the middle, holding everything together, which is not the job you signed up for. And here's why it feels worse after 90 days. At first, everything seems fine. Then your new provider starts uncovering all the stuff that was already broken. Messy file systems, weird permissions, outdated setups, all the little workarounds your team's been created just to survive. So it feels like things are getting worse. But really, you're just finally seeing the full picture. Now, what should this actually look like? A good transition doesn't start after you sign. It starts before, with a clear plan, step by step. Who's responsible for what risks exist, and how your business stays running the entire time. You should have full visibility, where your data lives, who has access, what's critical, what's risky, no guessing, no surprises, and most importantly, it should be about your business first. Not just new tools or better systems. Faster operations, less downtime, less stress on your team, actual progress. Because the right IT partner isn't just there to fix things. They're there to guide you, to remove obstacles, to make your business stronger, not just different. So if you're thinking about switching IT providers, don't just ask what they charge. Ask how they handle the transition. So what happens in the first 30, 60, 90 days? Ask what could go wrong, because the answers could be vague. And if they are, your experience will be too. The goal here isn't just to switch IT providers, it's to actually end up in a better place than where you started.